was a wonderful experience. They did a wonderful job from the person that sold me the contract to the people that came out to put the windows in. The inspector was very nice and friendly person. Loved the work that they did. Wasn't much cleanup for me to do after they left. I'm liking my new windows. As soon as I can put everything back in place, I love them. It's very quiet. I notice I don't hear anything outside as I used to. And the temperature of the air conditioner, the AC unit has went down because it's freezing now. They were very informational. They were very informative. They let you know step by step what was taking place, where they were, what time the workers would be here to install the windows. They checked during the day to see that everything was going okay. It's great. Wished I had did it a lot sooner. Was very afraid to do it, but now I'm happy to do it. The doors are wonderful. Just have to find me a peephole because I'm used to having a window to the door, but the door is very soundproof also.